Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moesha if you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like unboxings, clothing hauls, weekend vlogs, little miscellaneous. Also hit that subscribe button if you like children in the background, because that's what y'all gonna be hearing, just to give you a heads up. So anyways, let's get into today's video. We're going to be unboxing a purse I have wanted for a really long time. So further ado, well, before we unbox the bag, let's talk about it. So I've actually wanted this bag for a really long time. I remember when I first saw this designer's bags, and it was when he came out with these like real bright color bags. I was like, oh, I want one, and I never got one, right? And then like time goes by, this is all during the pandemic, he started selling his bags in like sacks and stuff like that, so that was great. Antoine, I think that's how you say his name, Antoine Manning, he is the creator of Homage bags. So if y'all know what I'm talking about, it's some like oval bags. He's the creator of those bags. I've been wanting one since he came out with that bright pink, bright blue, and I believe bright yellow. Yeah, I've been wanting one since then. So anyways, I ended up getting the mini black vinyl one because right now Saks is having a sale. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but anyway, Saks had them on sale, honey. So the bag was $187.50, but it was originally $250. So if you're watching this, go check it out and see if they're still on sale. Anyways, let's unbox. So I wanted to like do the complete unboxing because this is just fancy. I don't be having nothing like this to unbox too often. So anyways, what's in the dust bag? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so this is Homage mini over vinyl top handle bag, just so y'all know. So let's get into it. Comes with a cute little dust bag with the design on it. Look at the bag. Oh my. This bag, oh my god, this bag is cute. And I was a little afraid because it said mini, and I'm really getting tired of mini bags because I could just never fit my camera and everything else in there since I vlog now. But honey, you can fit your camera and everything else in this. Look, I mean, just wish I had my nails done, but y'all know the vibes. Okay, so as y'all can see, this is the logo, the Homage logo. So cute. Like I said, this bag is vinyl. This is so cute. Okay, so it's a little front pocket right here with a zipper. Of course, y'all know it got the little stuffing in it. Oh, this is a deep pocket. Hold up. Trying to make sure I can show y'all. Y'all, this pocket is deep. Do I have stuff? Yeah, let me see what I can fit in this little pocket. I need to give y'all the full experience. Let's see how many like lip glosses I can fit, because I feel like that's what you would put right there, right? Lip gloss. I wouldn't put nothing too important in that front piece just because I feel like that's easier for people to steal. Ciao. Okay. So let me show y'all. Here's two Fenty lip glosses. So I'm gonna put those in the bottom. Oh my god, and there's still room. Like you could probably fit like a, because I don't have my chapstick right next to me, but I usually bring lip gloss and chapstick. So let's pretend this is chapstick. This is perfect. You could fit your lip gloss and chapstick in this little front piece, which is super great because I always want that to be easily accessible. Okay, now let's open the bag up. Look at that little tag. It comes with adjustable straps, so you can like wear it as a crossbody. Let's get the paper out. Unboxings be like the most messiest thing you could ever do because you're throwing stuff everywhere. Oh, this bag is deep. I can't show y'all that I can fit my camera in this though because that's what I'm filming on. Can y'all see inside? Okay, so inside it's a little piece. I really wish I could open this more, but like you can't stretch it open, you know what I mean? It's very sturdy. But there's like a little pocket right here that I would probably put like a card like my credit card. I actually just did like a bag video. That's why I have stuff in the bag. I was showing people what they could fit in the bag. This is not a real bank card, but let me just make sure. A card, yep. So I think I'll put like a bank card and my license like in this little piece. There's a zipper inside. I really wish I could show y'all. So you can even put like your bank card and stuff in there, or like if you have a period, ladies, you can put like a little tampon or like a little wipe right there. That's great. You can definitely put your camera, but I'm gonna do my phone in place of my camera, and my keys. And if you know me, y'all ain't new here. Y'all know I wear natural deodorant, so I bring it everywhere with me. I keep that thing on me. Loom needs to sponsor your girl, so let me make sure I can fit that in here too. Okay, so I could fit my phone, which would usually be my camera, my lip, my deodorant, my keys, and I always try to bring some type of like hand sanitizer or disinfectant wipe. I can fit all that inside, as well as whatever cards I'm bringing, my ID. And then it's still room. Like if you're one of those people who be overstuffing your bag, still room. And then in the front, I got my lip products. You can fit a little mini, I should bring that over here. I have like a little mini travel size perfume I could fit in there. Oh, this is cute. I'm glad I didn't leave this out. I wasn't gonna like take this out because I'm like, y'all know what a thing is, you know. Y'all, Amari is playing Hungry Hungry Hippo. I'm like zoning out because I'm just used to him making noise, but I didn't even realize that's what he was like. That is kind of loud. Girl, I don't even know how you put this on. Oh my god, y'all, this is nice. Okay, I really hope I can like show y'all the detail, because see, this is why if you get this bag and you don't know, watch my video. Y'all see this, like, this is gonna focus. Okay, this is the handle thing, right? To make it like a shoulder strap. Y'all see, right? Because you know, usually it's like a little clip. It's not. You're probably not gonna be able to, that's my phone. See, in here is the piece. So it goes in here and connects. So it like looks seamless. It don't, you know how it's usually like swiveling around. Child. Okay, let's put the other side in. Y'all, I was almost like, let me take this off because y'all, I ain't returning this. Okay. Struggling. Woo. Okay. This is fancy. I don't know if I said this, but the designer is black owned. He's actually Jamaican. Oh. This is about to be my my going out every time I go out, this is about to be the bag. Hold on, y'all. Let me get up so I can show y'all how I'm at. This bag is so the way I'm about to get this bag in every color, and I feel like my kid is getting louder. Hey guys, get you one of these Homage year bags because I need to get it in every color. I might even get back on there if the sale's still going on next Friday, honey. Get me another bag. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl.